Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great day today. I'm back, guys. Before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Okay, I'm back today, guys, for a quick update. This is not going to be long. Just want to share with you an email we all received from Impact Mailing Club on the new welcome kit revisions. They've made some changes, and I just want to update you guys of that change, okay? As far as the welcome kit is concerned, okay? So let me show you that email so you will know and be able to know what's expected, okay? Because, sometimes things change. It started out one way and then it ends up a different way. So just keeping you up to date of the changes. So let me show you the email. Okay, here's the update. Not a bad update. I just want to keep you up to date. Okay, so this is a special announcement from Impact Mailing Club. Okay, effective actually today, November the 6th. This will go in effect. Okay, it basically says, hi everyone. We have a few updates starting the 6th. All Emerald and Ruby level welcome kits will now be sent electronically. This will make things simple and easy, and it will cut the process time in half for you guys, okay? So what they're saying is they're going to send it via email, okay? And that's just the Emerald and the Ruby level, okay? And the Emerald level which is the lower level. That's the package that only costs $100 to get in. And the Ruby is the second level, the $250 package, okay? So what they're saying is they're going to email it to you, and you're going to get your welcome letter. You're going to get an email. It's going to have your welcome letter, your IMC order form, your leads, and a video tutorial of how to transfer your leads to Avery, okay, to the labels, okay, because they're going to email the leads to you, so you're going to have to know how to add them to the labels. Okay, so they're going to give you a video on that. So there won't be any question on, well, how do I get my leads onto labels? Okay, so that's awesome. And direct mail training guide. It's going to be in a PDF. Okay, so if you're going to be coming in as an Emerald starting today, November 6th, or Ruby, don't expect anything to come in the mail. Okay, that's what they're saying. They're going to email you everything. Okay, and then they're going to send you your leads via email as well. And they're going to give you a video on how to get them over to the Avery labels, okay? So that's a new update. Just want to keep you up to date on what's going on, because the first thing someone will say, well, hey, I saw your video and you opened a blue folder, but I haven't gotten anything, okay? So that's what I'm telling you. If you're Emerald or Ruby starting today, November 6th, you're not going to get anything in the mail. It's going to be emailed to you, okay? But for the people that's here for the first time, what is Impact Mailing Club? Okay, so let me tell you what that is real quick. Impact Mailing Club, guys, is a company that sells leads, okay? Lead packages, okay, which is in demand. By the way, lead sources or lead companies is a business within itself. That is a business. People out here sell leads, companies that sell leads, and they charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars to get leads, okay? So this company sells leads, direct mail leads. So they'll come on peeling stick labels, and they have 4 membership packages, okay? They have the Emerald, the Ruby, the Sapphire, and the Diamond package, okay? So when you join, you pick a package, you decide which package you want to purchase, and it comes with leads because they sell leads. And by you doing so as well, you're able to resell that same package. Whatever package you purchase, you can resell that package, okay? And get a commission. And when people join you, they have to send you your commission in the mail and stamps, okay? So Emerald is the $100 level, okay? And you send in 2 books of stamps with that. It allows you to make $65. It allows your sponsor to make $20, and it allows the company to receive $15. The Ruby level is $250. You send in 4 books of stamps, and you can make $150 Your sponsor will make $50 and the company will make $50 every time you resell that Ruby package. Now, these are the two levels that I'm talking about that you will not receive in the mail. They're going to come via email, your welcome kit, okay, the Ruby and the Emerald. Now, the next level up is the Sapphire. The Sapphire is $500. You will send in 4 books of stamps with that $500. And this allows you, when you resell it, to make $300, guys. These are some great commission packages. And your sponsor will make $100. Every time you make $300, your sponsor makes $100, the company makes $100. The diamond package is the top of the food chain, okay? The top of the top. The diamond, you send in $2,000 and 5 books of stamps. And when you resell that diamond package, you're able to make $1,000, okay? Your sponsor will make $500 and the company will make $500, okay? And you receive books of stamps on each package. So when someone joins you, they have to send you your commission and the stamps. And then the company, in turn, will send you the leads, okay? So it is a leads company. It's a home business opportunity in which you can sell these lead packages. And every time you sell a package, you get a commission, okay? Simple as that. And all you're going to do, if you want to join, you're going to make 3 copies of the letter, okay? Print out 3 copies of the letter, send them priority, and follow the instructions on this letter or order form, okay? It'll be box 1, box 2, and box 3. It indicates right here how much you're going to send each person in each box, okay? You send it priority, you'll get a tracking number. And I'm telling people to take a picture of it and text me that tracking number so that I'll know when to expect your package. Because I'm offering a bonus, okay? For everybody that joins me, I'm going to match the leads. The amount of leads the company gives you, I'm going to match it. Then I'm going to give you a customized letter and a sales funnel, okay? So I will need your information so that I can get you those leads, okay? So that's how that works, guys. So anyway, if you're looking for a simple way to make money online, this is the way to go, because everybody needs leads, okay? Everybody, doesn't matter what you're promoting. So in essence, this is like a tool, okay? A tool that everybody can use, a resource, okay? So it's not going to interfere with what you're doing, because you're going to be able to offer people leads. And for people that don't want to join the club, you still can sell them leads at the retail cost, okay? Because you are a lead broker, basically, and a lead affiliate, all right? So with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you. Just want to give you that update. I'll put the link below. If you have any questions, give me a call. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. And I'll keep making videos to keep you informed on what's going on. All right, have a blessed day, guys.